What's up, everybody? Check this out. You got Scott's C-Mobile, Townsend flanking it, Apex Motor Club's in the middle out here in Arizona, and we're having a great old time, man. Lexus F there, you can see Gordon, they're trying to get that shot. Pretty cool. Look at this. I'm gonna walk down a little bit and look at that, man. You can see people all over just taking photos and just enjoying themselves. Beautiful day out here in Arizona. Apex Motor Club, really nice people. Chatted with them. They were really dope to talk to. There's David and Caesar right there. I'll see them tomorrow too. But look at this. This is crazy. Todd pulled this off with his team. Really, look at this. Wow, F cars for days. I mean, ISF, GSF, RCF, LC 500s. There was an LFA here earlier. I mean, there's just F cars as far. I don't even think I'm gonna walk the whole way, but you can see. So this is once a year here at Apex Motor Club out in Arizona. So, you know, doing some cool stuff out here. Obviously, you see me doing stuff with Lexus Racing, and I chat with everybody. So I know there's groups all over, and I'm tasking myself trying to bring everybody together and work together and showcase this awesome Lexus lifestyle that we have, and all the enthusiasts left and right. And again, you don't have to be modified. There's stock cars, there's modified cars. The vibe is good. Wide body cars, bad cars, non-bad cars, it's all here. I mean, look at this. I'm just walking around and look at, there's just cars everywhere. There's F cars. Look at this. And this is kind of a message, you know, to try to say, hey y'all, we need more of this, right? We need some updated stuff. We need that product. We have people that are passionate about the brand, that believe it. Uh-oh. Need to get back to the car. You can see how many people are here. Look at this. This is cool. But yeah, you know, so there's this enthusiasm here in the USA for these wonderful F cars. And obviously we have the IS 500 F Sport Performance coming. But a lot of these guys, they want that Hunter Edge. They want a full F. Look at that satin. I love this, the Fuji Speedway edition. Well, thanks everybody for coming out. This is dope. And really cool to be a part. Glad I made it out from Atlanta. And hopefully we get to do some more of these.